Hello and welcome to my channel, iTechWhiz. How are you all doing? This is my first video on this channel, and today I'll be introducing you to what iTechWhiz is all about. I'll share with you the kind of content you can expect here, so let's get started. In this channel, I'll be diving into the exciting world of smartphone unboxings like this. I can't show the full video because it would be too big. Stay tuned for in-depth reviews and comparisons to help you make the best choices. Now I will show you an example of the Poco X6 Pro smartphone review. As you can see, here are the pros and cons of the Poco X6 Pro. You can learn from this video whether this phone is worth buying or not. Next, smartphones comparison video. There are many things to compare in a smartphone, such as the display, processor, etc. But in today's video, I will only show a camera comparison. iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung S24 Ultra. Which camera is best? Let's see. As you can see in the camera comparison video, these are the main types of content on my channel. But I also make different types of videos such as upcoming smartphones, best budget smartphones, best gaming smartphones, and more. I hope you all understand my content. I will start my YouTube journey through this video. I hope you all support me and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated. That's all for today. See you in the next video.